right? Next transformation inversion and reflection. The transformation W equal to 1 by Z represents inversion with respect to unit circle followed by the reflection, right? Suppose these are unit circle, right? SP and this P dash. This one is 1 by R comma theta. Then this one is inversion and the reflection, right? So 1 by R comma minus theta. So this P double dash, right? So under the transformation W equal to 1 by 8, which represents what? The inversion or with respect to the unit circle followed by the reflection on the real axis, right? So the bottom show that the transformation W equal to 1 by Z transforms, so in general, circles and straight lines into circles and straight lines, and point out circles and straight lines that are transformed into straight lines and circles respectively. Question புரிஞ்சுதாது? இப்போ எந்தெந்த சர்க்கிள் எல்லாம் சர்க்கிளுக்கே டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் ஆகும்? Circles transformed into circles. So எந்த மாதிரி circles? Then straight lines transformed into straight lines. Okay. Similarly, the straight lines transformed into circles and the circles transformed into straight lines. The circle வந்து straight line ஆகும், straight line வந்து circle ஆகும் transform ஆகும். So and எந்த மாதிரி straight lines, so எந்த மாதிரி circle அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம find out பண்ண போறோம். So given, so under the transformation W equal to 1 by Z, so Z equal to 1 by W, you put Z equal to X plus Iy and W equal to U plus Iv, which is nothing but 1. You find out X and Y, so for that you multiply and divide by conjugate of this, so U minus Iv by U square plus V square. So X equal to U by U square plus V square and Y equal to minus V by U square plus V square. So these two are what? The transformation equations. The transformation equations are X equal to U by U square plus V square, Y equal to minus V by U square plus V square. So consider this equation. So consider the equation. A into X square plus Y square plus Bx plus Cy plus D equal to 0. Take it as equation number 1. The image of 1 under this transformation is given by, you replace X and Y by, X is replaced by U by U square plus V squared and Y is replaced by minus V by U squared plus V squared. So you may get A into square panna U squared by U squared plus V squared the whole square plus Y squared. Then V squared by U squared plus V squared the whole square plus Bx, so Bu by U squared plus V squared minus Cv by U squared plus V squared plus D equal 0. So then compare by U square plus V squared, take LCM U square plus V squared, you may get D into U squared plus V squared plus Bu minus Cv plus A equal 0. Take it as equation 2. Right? LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா numerator வந்து 1 ஆயிரும், denominator வந்து U square plus V square கிடைக்கும். Then you take LCM, you may get this equation, which is nothing but what? The image of 1. right? I'll discuss the 4 cases. So case 1, so this A and D are not equal to 0. So A and D are not equal to 0 and another, which means that what? This equation represents what? A circle not passing through the origin. There is a constant term. If there is a constant term in this equation, the circle not passing through the origin. This is not equal to 0. So equation 1 represents circle not passing through the origin. Origin in Z plane. So equation 1 represents. Okay. What will be the image? The D and A are also not equal to 0. So again, which is a what? A circle not passing through the origin in W plane. So equation 2, which is also represents what? A circle not passing through the origin in W plane. But therefore, what we can conclude that a circle not passing through the origin in Z plane is transformed into a circle not passing through the origin in W plane, right? Now case 2. So both are 0. A equal to 0 and D equal to 0. A 0 ஆயிடுச்சு, D 0 ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்ப என்ன இருக்கும்? Bx plus Cy equal to 0. Both A and D are equal to 0. Equation 1 ல என்ன இருக்கும்? Bx plus Cy. So Bx plus Cy equal to 0. அப்படின்னா என்ன இருக்கும்? Cy equal to minus Bx. So y equal to minus B by C into x. You take that this is M. So y equal to mx, which is nothing but what? A straight line passing through the origin, right? இப்போ இங்க என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Both D and A are 0, so you may get BU minus CV equal to 0, then BU equal to CV, right? Then V equal to B by C into U. You take it as this M1 into U, which is nothing but what? A straight line passing through the origin. The second case, if both A and D are 0, equation 1 is nothing but a straight line passing through the origin in Z plane. Equation 2 represents a straight line passing through the origin in W plane. So first case is another circle not passing through the origin transformed into a circle not passing through the origin in W plane. Similarly, a straight line passing through the origin in W plane is transformed into a straight line passing through the origin in W plane, right? That is a second case. Now third case, J is not equal to 0 and D is equal to 0. Up and down. A வந்து not equal to 0. அப்ப இருக்கும் A not equal to 0 and D equal to 0. இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனா இருக்கும். இப்போ கான்ஸ்டன்ட் டைம் இல்லை அப்படின்னா a circle passing through the origin. So equation 1 represents a circle passing through the origin in Z plane. Second equation, D வந்து 0 ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்போ இது என்ன ஆயிரும்? You may get BU minus CV plus A equal to 0. This is nothing but one, a straight line not passing through the origin, right? So equation 2 represents a straight line not passing through the origin in W plane. So circle passing through the origin என்னவா மாறுது? A straight line not passing through the origin and transform ஆகுது. So that is the circles transformed into straight lines. Now the case 4 will be the case 4. A equal to 0 and D not equal to 0. A equal to 0 என்ன ஆயிரும்? You may get Bx plus Cy plus d equal to 0, which is nothing but what? A straight line not passing through the origin. So equation 1 represents a straight line not passing through the origin in the z plane. Equation 1 represents what? A straight line not passing through the origin in z plane. Now what will be the equation 2? So a on the 0, d on the not equal to 0. But d not equal to 0, a on the 0. அப்போ என்ன இருக்கும்? d into u square plus v square plus bu minus cv equal to 0. So which is nothing but what? A circle passing through the origin, right? So equation 2 represents a circle passing through the origin in W plane, right? So under this transformation, a straight line not passing through the origin in Z plane is transformed into a circle passing through the origin in W plane. So that means what are the 4 cases? Circles transformed to circles. What type of circles? Not passing through origin. Yeah. So not passing through the origin. Straight line is transformed to a straight line which is passing through the origin. Then circles transformed to straight line. எந்த மாதிரி circles? The circles passing through the origin is transformed to a straight line not passing through the origin. Then the straight line is transformed to circle which is not passing through the origin, is transformed to passing through the origin. So these are all the 4 cases, right? Now see this problem. So find the image of the infinite strip 1 by 4 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1 by 2 under the transformation w equal to 1 by z. So w equal to 1 by z, which is nothing but what? Z equal to 1 by w. We may get the transformation equation. So x plus iy equal to 1 by u plus iv. So into u minus iv by u minus iv. So you may get u minus iv by u square plus v square. So x equal to u by u square plus v square and y equal to minus v by u square plus v square. So this is the transformation equation. What will be the image given? So given the infinite strip in z plane. So this is x axis and this is y axis. This is z plane. This line is y equal to 1 by 2 and this line is y equal to 1 by 4. So between this, we have to find out the image of this infinite strip in the W plane. So you take your y is less than or equal to 1 by 2. So y is less than or equal to 1 by 2, which implies what is y? Minus v by u square plus v square. This is less than or equal to 1 by 2. You cross multiply it. So u square plus v square is greater than or equal to minus 2v, right? Then u square plus v square plus 2v is greater than or equal to 0. So then u square plus v plus 1 the whole square is greater than or equal to 1. Is it right? Then u squared plus v squared plus 2v plus 1 minus 1, which is nothing but what? This is an exterior circle with center 0 comma minus 1 and radius 1. Yes, we take it as this equation number 1 and then the second equation. So 1 by 4 is less than or equal to y. So 1 by 4 is less than or equal to y. What is y? Minus v by u squared plus v squared. Cross multiply it. So u squared plus v squared is less than or equal to minus 4v. So u squared plus v squared is less than or so plus 4v is less than or equal to 0. So u squared plus, I can write this as v plus 2 the whole square is less than or equal to 4. Is it right? So take it as this is 2. So this is nothing but what? An interior circle with center 0, minus 2 and radius 2. Right? W plane line. This is u axis and this is v axis. The first equation center 0, minus 1. So 0, minus 1 is which is an exterior circle, that is an outer portion, right? And then 0, minus 2. So this is the center. So obviously you may get a circle like this. So this is an interior circle. So like this. Now what will be the image now? So this is the image of the infinite strip. The image of the infinite strip in Z plane is transformed into a annular region of the W plane. Clear? So now the transformation W equal to Z square. What will be the transformation equations? Take let W equal to U plus IV and Z is X plus IY. So you may get X squared plus minus Y squared plus I into 2xy. So therefore u equal x square minus y square and v equal 2xy. So these two equations are called what? The transformation equations. Now consider a line parallel to y axis. Suppose this is a Z plane. So this is x axis. This is y axis. Suppose I consider a line parallel to x axis. y equal to b nu right? A parallel line to x axis is y equal to b. So I want to find out the image of this parallel line in the W plane. So W plane la idu enna transform agum. Right? So substitute y equal to b in this, right? So the image of y equal to b is given by, substitute y equal to b in this. So u equal x squared minus b squared and v equal 2xb. So what is x? v by 2b. You substitute in this, you may get u equal v squared by 4 b squared minus b squared. Now u plus b squared equal to v squared by 4b squared. So therefore v squared equal 4b squared into u plus b squared, which is nothing but one, which is a parabola with vertex minus b squared comma 0. Right? This is nothing but one, which is a parabola, that is a right open parabola with vertex minus b squared comma 0. Suppose this is a minus b squared comma 0. So this is right? The image of a parallel line to x-axis is given by a parabola with vertex minus b squared comma 0. Suppose I want to take a straight line parallel to y-axis. X equal to c or x equal to a. So you have to find out the image of the line x equal to a is given by, you put x equal to a in this, so u equal a squared minus y squared, so v equal 2ay. What is y? v by 2a. You substitute in this, I'll get u equal a squared minus v squared by 4a squared. So v squared by 4a squared equal to a squared minus u. So v squared equal 4a squared into a squared minus u. We can take minus outside, so minus 4a squared into u minus a squared, which is nothing but what? Which is a parabola with vertex a squared comma 0, which is a left open. V squared equal to minus 4a squared into u minus a squared. Suppose so these are a squared comma 0. The parabola is like this, right? So which is the image of, so this is equation 1 and this is 2, which is the image of a line parallel to y-axis. The image of the line x equal to a is given by the parabola with vertex a squared comma 0. This is a left open, right? Now find the image in the w plane of the region of the z plane bounded by the straight lines x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 1 under the transformation w equal to z square. இப்போ z plane எப்படி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க ஒரு region, this x axis and this y axis bounded by these three lines x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So x equal to 1 a line parallel to y axis and y equal to 1 a line parallel to x axis and x plus y equal to 1. So this is a line x plus y equal to 1. So this is a region. So you have to find out the image of this region under the transformation w equal to z square. From the so given w equal to z square, what will be the transformation equations? U equal to x squared minus y squared and v equal to 2xy, right? So these two are the transformation equations. So from the discussions of this transformation, we are derived that what? The image of the line y equal to b, image of y equal to b is given by 1. So v squared equal 4b squared into u plus b squared. இல்லையா முன்னாடியே பார்த்தோம். அதே மாதிரி image of x equal to a is given by v squared equal to minus 4a squared into u minus a squared and பார்த்தோம். So from this discussion we can easily write the image of x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Therefore the image of y equal to 1 is given by y equal to 1 na v equal to 1 idhula replace panikalam. So you may get v squared equal to 4 into u plus 1, right? You take it as this equation number 2. Similarly the image of x equal to 1 is given by x equal to 1 a equal to substitute பண்ணா கிடைக்கும் v squared equal minus 4 into u minus 1. This is 3, which is nothing but what? Which is a parabola, which is a right open parabola with vertex minus 1 comma 0. Here it is a left open parabola with vertex 1 comma 0, right? Okay, we can draw it. And then we have to find out the image of the line x plus y equal to 1. The x plus y equal to 1 or image நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So the image of x plus y equal to 1 is given by, so put x plus y equal to y equal to 1 by x in 1, so we get, put y equal to 1 by x in 1. So u equal to x squared minus 1 minus x the whole square is equal to x squared minus of 1 plus x squared minus 2x. This is nothing but what? 2x minus 1, right? So u equal to 2x minus 1 and v equal to 2x into 1 minus x, right? So from these two I have to eliminate x, but from this u equal or x equal u plus 1 by 2. You substitute in this, v equal 2 into u plus 1 by 2 into 1 minus u plus 1 by 2. Now I'll get, so v equal, so u plus 1 into, take LCM, so 2 minus u minus 1. I'll get, so 2v equal u plus 1 into, 1 minus u. So 2v equal to u plus 1 plus u into 1 minus u squared. So u squared equal 1 minus 2v. So u squared equal, you can take minus 2 outside. So v minus 1 by 2, right? So which is a parabola with vertex 0, 1 by 2, right? But diagram எப்படி இருக்கும்? We draw these 3 parabolas, right? In W plane, so W plane, this is U axis and this is V axis. The first second equation, V squared equal 4 into U plus 1, which is a parabola with vertex minus 1, 0. This is a point minus 1, 0. So which is right open. You may get like this, right? What will be these points? The point where it cuts the v axis. So put u equal to 0. You may get 2, 0, 2 and 0, minus 2, right? And then this one. So this is equation 2, which is a vertex of 1, 0, which is left open. Is 1, 0. Whether this curve passing through this point or not. We substitute in this, whether it is satisfied or not, right? So put u equal to 0, you may get v squared equal plus or minus 2, right? So obviously the curve passing through these 2 points. So this is equation number 3, right? Now the fourth equation, which is a parabola with vertex of 0, 1 by 2. And then vertical, whether it is passing through this point or not. Vertical போறோம் இப்படி போடுறோம் நம்ம இந்த பாயிண்ட் வழியா போமா இல்லையா இது செக் பண்ணி பார்த்தறலாம். Put u equal to 1 in this, you may get v equal to 0. Sorry, yeah. Put u equal to 1 in this, you may get u equal to 1 button or v equal to 0. Therefore obviously a parabola passing through this point. So this is a parabola. This is equation number 4. So which is our fish shape la kadichirukka. So under the transformation w equal to z square, the region in the z plane is transformed into the region in the w plane like this, right? Clear? Right.